This is Isaac with Park My Share. I'm going to show you how to get from our Park My Share facility in Phoenix back to Sky Harbor. As you start your departure, you'll start entering the parking spot 1 facility and you'll start entering through the entrance lane. The AVI tag will read on our reader, which is on the top left side of this booth. Regardless if you're entering or leaving the facility, if you have any issues vending the gate, you can use the intercom system to reach out to a Park My Share member and get assistance. They're going to ask you a couple of things. They're going to ask you for your host's name, and then they'll also ask you for the numbers on the back of your AVI tag, which are directly in front of you on the windshield.
How can I help you?
Once the gate opens, you'll head to the back. Once you reach the end of the aisle, you'll see a Park My Share sign pointing you to the left to the Park My Share bay. It's the same area that you were at when you picked up the vehicle, and you're able to pull into any space in this designated area. So in addition to the main Park My Share barn, guests also have 2 auxiliary areas that they can park in as well if this area is full. If you look to my left, you can park towards the Van Buren Street exit on the left and the right hand side. There's an additional about 20 spaces or so there. And then secondly, there's covered spaces on the back wall, which we'll show here briefly. You can park in about those 20 spaces as well in the event that the main area is full. So once you park your vehicle, make sure to follow your host's instructions and ensure that you're locking up the vehicle the way that he or she requests you to. You can verify that you're in the right area by looking at the corners of the parking stall area. You'll see the blue Park My Share signs, and if you see those, you know you're in the right spot. Once you lock the vehicle up, you can start to head to the shuttle stop, which is in the center of the Park My Share stall area on columns C and B. Just wait a few minutes for the shuttle to stop by and pick you up, and you'll be on the way.